Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 4th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar. We're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily time frame, we are sitting at the 78% Fibonacci retracement. If this does decide to be a running flat instead of an expanding flat, which would target this area way down here, then it could definitely make a higher low compared to the wave A. And it could turn here, it could break structure, it could start a brand new uptrend. But we have to be very careful in assuming that this is what's going to happen because we do have a secondary target way down here, and there's no reason to say that this may not push past every one of these Fibonacci levels and go all the way down to 161, 178% Fibonacci extension, which would be your expanding flat. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, yes, we have been kind of consolidated in this one area, but you need to notice your structure. All these are lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Even today we have a lower high. Now, since this is the most recent low, this is the most recent structure level right here. If it breaks this high right here as a short time frame trader, you could start looking for logs. But right now, in my opinion, there's definitely nothing to do but look for shorts unless or until we get a significant break of structure, which we do not have yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.